Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain you how we can fetch the SharePoint list item using the Graph API. So in my last video, I have explained you how we can fetch the SharePoint list ID using the Graph API. So let me just recall this. We need to select this first option and then we need to paste it our root a SharePoint site ID instead of root. And then once we hit the query, then we will able to see all the site content which is available. Okay, it is taking time. Let me refresh this again. I just copied, so let me just directly run this query. Okay, and let me in the left, let me select this in the SharePoint. Okay, so this is my query. Okay, so you can see, let me quickly click once again. Okay, so in the root, you need to paste your SharePoint site ID. In my previous video, I have already explained you how we can fetch the SharePoint site ID. So I just copied that thing. So I just paste it here. And now let me run again. So this is my SharePoint site. Okay, and I want to fetch the item from this details list. Okay, so how we can do? So this is the output. And what we need to do, we need to fetch first our ID, that detail SharePoint list detail ID. Let me scroll down, and here we have. Okay, so this is my all the metadata information available, and this is my SharePoint list name, and this is my SharePoint list ID. Okay, now if we click on this SharePoint get enumerate the list item in a list. Okay, so once we click on this, then you can see like it is asking me the root and list, and this is my SharePoint list. We need to paste it our SharePoint list ID. So let me replace this with my SharePoint list ID. Okay, and here we need to paste our SharePoint site ID. Okay, so I just copy it and now let me paste it here. Okay, so if I run this query, okay, so then you can see like we can see the information ID and last modify. Okay, then again ID. But you notice one thing, like we still not able to see the data. Okay, so to see the data, what we need to do? Okay, so here we have a option. Let's suppose, let me quickly select the question mark, and then we have to select this expand. Okay, in the expand we can select the field. Okay, and now let me run this query. Okay, so and now let me show to you. So now here you will able to see like this is the record, like name is Arun, class 3, admit date, description, amount, mail, and ID, and content types. Okay, and let me quickly scroll down to show you guys other output as well. So now you can see like name, and this is the type of JSON, and inside the fields we are getting all this value. Okay, so that's how we can fetch our SharePoint list item using the using the Graph API. And just keep in mind, once you are querying this enumerate the list items in a list, so at the end of the item you need to uh, write this expression like a question mark dollar sign expand equal to fields, like a, it is like because all this graph API is going to show you just a metadata. So inside the metadata there is a field option is also available, and inside this we can see all our items and their value. Okay, so that's the reason I just select expand equal to fields. So okay, so that's how you can fetch your all items using this graph API. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you later.